Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
If you're looking for an awesome seafood starter recipe, this is just the right one for you because we're going to be making chili garlic prawns. It's spicy, has loads of garlic, so let's get started with the recipe. We're going to need to batter fry the prawns and then later on cook a lip-smacking sauce for it. The first thing that goes into making this batter is 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And now to make this batter really nice and crisp for the prawns, I'm going to add 1 egg. Just crack that into the bowl. And just whisk everything together. Just make sure that this batter is nice and smooth and without any lumps. And as soon as you get that consistency, it's time to drop in about 300 grams of, I've got medium-sized prawns, so just drop all of them in one go. Just mix the prawns really well into this batter, making sure that they're coated completely. The oil is nice and hot, so it's time to start frying off the prawns. As soon as these start turning nice and golden, make sure that you flip them over so that they're evenly cooked and of the same color. The first batch of prawns is nicely cooked, they're nice and golden. So I'm just going to take them out of this hot oil and leave them to drain on a paper towel. One batch of prawns is nicely fried, so I'm just going to fry off the second batch. That's it. Now we're going to move on to making a really lip-smacking sauce for these chili garlic prawns. The first thing I'm going to start with is heating up the wok. And while that heats up, I'm going to make a cornflour slurry. So I've got 1 tablespoon of cornflour here. To this, I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of water and whisk that into a really smooth paste. The wok has heated up really nicely, and to this I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm just using some of the leftover oil from frying the prawns. And now to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely minced garlic, half a tablespoon of some finely minced ginger. Just cook these till the raw aroma goes away. Now it's time to add some spring onions. I'm using the equivalent of 2 spring onions, the white parts that have just been sliced up. Now these are, after all, chili garlic prawns. We've got plenty of garlic in. So now I'm going to add 3 green chilies that have just been slit in half. Again, just saute these. Take the flame up to a medium one and immediately add 1 green capsicum that's been cut up into chunks. And stir fry this. And about half a teaspoon of some pepper powder. Now to this, add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is a dark soy sauce. Half a tablespoon of chili sauce and about a 1/4 cup of water. Just mix everything together and just almost immediately add the cornflour slurry that we had made earlier. Make sure that you whisked it again, it's been sitting for a while. Keep everything moving in the pan and just drizzle that in and quickly whisk it together. very quickly add the fried prawns. Toss them to coat with that sauce really fast. Just taste these at this stage. If you feel the need to add a little bit more salt right now, please add it, because we've added plenty of soy sauce earlier. So I'm just going to add very little. Just sprinkle that in. And again, very quickly, toss it together. These chili garlic prawns are almost ready. I'm going to turn off the flame, add 1/4 teaspoon of plain white vinegar. And again, very quickly, just toss it through. These chili garlic prawns are absolutely ready, so I'm just going to serve them up because I can't wait to eat them. These chili garlic prawns are an awesome starter for your next house party, so I really hope that you'll try this recipe and subscribe to Get Curried for loads more such recipes.